What is up, YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, I'm excited to bring you my review of the Adidas Originals Dragon Ball Z Majin Buu Kamanda. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We are giving away a Fila Folder Ray in size 11 as well as a Supreme box, the most hyped box you will ever find. Use it as a lunch box for all I care. All you have to do is to subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, hit the notification bell, and then click the links down below for the rest of the mechanics of the two giveaways. Don't waste it, guys. Join the squad, hit that subscription button now, go. This is the Adidas Kamanda, and to be honest, the silhouette, like what I mentioned in my unboxing, is not something that I love. I have the OG Kamanda in red, I have the Kamanda neighborhood collaboration, and both sneakers I rarely wear. In fact, I'm thinking of selling them already because it's not comfortable. The midsole is just too hard, there's no flexibility. If you guys take a look at that, there's no like give, and the upper, especially this tongue part, is annoying at the top of your feet. Those were my main problems with both Kamanda sneakers. They just weren't comfortable. In fact, I love the Sobakov better. It's a sneaker that I've been rocking often. But when it comes to the Kamanda, man, it's just not something that I can get behind. And the only reason why I actually just copped this sneaker is because I am collecting the Dragon Ball set. So I have the Goku already, the Frieza, the Gohan, the Cell, the Vegeta. Oh, I said it properly, Vegeta, not Vegeta, Vegeta. And to those who are wondering why we call it Vegeta here in the Philippines, we were kind of brainwashed by watching the anime Tagalized here in the Philippines, or in Tagalog. They didn't air it in Japanese with subtitles. They aired it in Tagalog, and the way it was pronounced was Vegeta, not Vegeta. So I will correct it. It's Vegeta. But anyway, let's go back to Majin Buu. So like what I mentioned earlier, the only reason why I bought it is because I am collecting. I want to complete the set. I am a collector and a fan of Dragon Ball and Adidas and sneakers. So it was the perfect collection to be able to put together. Now, having said that, I was actually surprised because I think the only reason why the Kamanda wasn't comfortable for me was because I got it with the wrong size. I went through to size with the Kamanda for both the OG model and the neighborhood collaboration, and it wasn't really comfortable. The very narrow mid part of the shoe meant that a big part of my wide feet would just spill over some kind of muffin top thing going on when I would wear it, and the hard part here would just push up against the side of my feet, which actually hurt. Wasn't just uncomfortable, it hurt. So what did I do? I learned my lesson. And again, this is for me. This might not apply for you because you guys might have narrow feet or normal sized feet, and the Kamanda might be perfect for you already with your size. I have wide feet. Now, I went an entire size up. Call me crazy, I went an entire size up. Now, usually people would just recommend like half a size, or like, you know, well, they really just recommend half a size. You rarely hear people recommending a full size up, but I went a full size up on this one. Again, because I already knew that the Kamanda was something that was just so uncomfortable, and I wanted as much room as I could. And guess what? It solved the problem. This one is by far the most comfortable Kamanda I've ever worn, and I think it was just really a problem of sizing for me. Now that it is a full size, I initially thought that it would be too long, but that's not the case. It actually gives me more room to wiggle around the shoe. The mid part is now addressed. It's perfect for the shape of my foot, and yeah, I mean, I really like this shoe. Now, I guess looking back, I probably should go half a size up for future Kamanda sneaker consortium releases, or at least Kamanda sneakers that I love in general. So that's when it comes to comfort and on feet. Now let's talk about the styling. Now, as you guys can see, it is in bright pink, and not everybody wants to rock bright pink sneakers, and I can understand that. It is definitely subjective, it is personal, it depends on your preference. There's no right or wrong answer here. But if you do want to wear this, it is much easier than you guys think. All you have to do is wear like all black and you can get away with it, as long as the only thing that pops in your outfit is the sneaker, then I think you're good. That's what I did anyway. I wore like black pants, a black shirt, and then this one. I felt really comfortable in it. And to those who are wondering, it is a neck breaker. It is a head turner. While I was walking around, I could literally, well, not feel, because I'm not like a psychic, but I could see people, their eyes just going like that. Some people turning around. People were really taking a look at this sneaker because it is an attention grabber. It is a magnet for eyes. And yeah, people will look. if they see this. And apart from that, Dragon Ball fans will really see it and recognize it, because apart from the color, that M logo of Majin Buu is very iconic. It's something that a lot of Dragon Ball fans know. And lastly, this is something that I didn't feel or mention during the actual unboxing process when they did the unboxing. I am really digging the contrast between the black and the pink. I mean, I didn't feel it or I didn't see it when I unboxed it, but man, after wearing it, I am really loving the contrast between the two colors. And it's a particular color blocking that I will definitely be watching out for in the coming days ahead. One more note, one thing that they didn't solve though was this annoying mesh material that they have for the tongue. So make sure that you wear full socks, don't wear like ankle socks or invisible socks, because when this hits the top of your foot, it can irritate your skin a bit. And lastly, I think some people will take issue with this, but I don't think everybody will appreciate wearing shoes that say Mr. Satan. So yeah guys, that's my quick review of the Adidas Originals Dragon Ball Z Kamanda Majin Buu. It is the only command that I love wearing, mainly because again of the sizing issue that I was finally able to solve by going a full size up. Again, just a quick disclaimer on that one, it might not work for you. We all have different kinds of feet, so I would suggest if you can find a store to fit the Kamanda first, be it the first release or any other collab, at least you have a feel for what is the proper sizing for you before you cop this one. Now, if you guys are going to buy the Kamanda, the Adidas Originals Dragon Ball Z Kamanda, it will be available starting this Saturday, November 24, for 8,000 pesos. I would highly recommend and enjoin you to buy it from Soul Academy. They're the reason why we get to do the early unboxing, the early on-feet review of the Kamanda, as well as the Vegeta that I did an unboxing on, as well as the review that came along with this video. So check it out from Soul Academy this Saturday. And lastly guys, I do have a full playlist on everything Adidas Originals and Dragon Ball Z. I'll put the link down below so you can binge watch the entire thing, just in case you haven't watched all the previous unboxings and reviews of the Goku, the Frieza, the Cell, the Gohan, the Vegeta, and yes, this one. So yeah guys, that's it for now. I hope you all enjoyed. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.